it's Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today I am in my creative art journal, and it is a Archer and Olive Traveler's Notebook. I really love it. And I want to do a really cute spread. It's kind of like, well, it is a girlish theme, and I think you'll really like it. I wanted to do something very different and use some new products that I've hauled, okay? So I'm going to use my Archer and Olive Traveler's Notebook, but you can use anything. And I'm going to use this washi, I'm almost positive, okay? And then I'm going to use watercolor ink chapter. Love this. I'm going to, I think, use these little dots. And most of this came from Journal Say. And I'll have a link to where you can order all this stuff. I do have affiliate links to Journal Say, Doodle Diaries, and the Washi Tape Shop, and some of those contain coupon codes. So if you're going to shop there anyway, I would appreciate it if you'd use my links. And I'm also going to use this really pretty poetry and fragments in the brown, and these red flowers blooming that I picked up just the last haul that I did from Journal Say, okay? So let's hop into this. I'm so excited to do this. In case you missed it, this is what I did last week. I wanted to do like a cartoon layout. I thought it would be really fun, so that's what I did. And I'm going to get my little hand to hold this down. It helps so much. And I'm going to get this little clip to hold it down on this side. I'm pretty sure the first thing I'm going to do is put this washi down. I think it's going to be really cute, so that's what I want to do. You could either put it all the way down one time, or you could, you know, do it separately. I think I'm going to do it like this. Obviously, that's what I'm doing, okay? And I'm just going to cut this off, and I'll round that edge in a minute. I'm filming this at night. Everyone is conked out. So I thought it would be a great time for me to film. And I actually went really straight. I'm happy about that. We've been having so much rain here, but it's gotten cooler. It's in the 90s now, which I can't complain about that. That's a good thing. All right, I love that. Then I'm going to do the same thing up here. To put my little hands and clips on here. It's so much easier to do anything if you don't have to fight. I got, with the book, I got this at Journal Say and this on Amazon. And I will have them linked in the description box. I don't want to waste that much tape. Okay. Put that in there like that. Then do the same thing. I'm going to round that edge. Cut this one off. And round this edge. I cannot wait for fall. Cooler temperatures, just everything about fall. I know I'm not the only one that absolutely loves fall. Okay, that looks really good. Now I'm going to put my clips back over here, and I'm going to hold it down here. And I'm going to put this. You can either miter your edges if you want, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to, well, I'm going to have to do something. I'm going to go right down through here. And do I want to miter it? I don't know. I may just cut it off like right here. Probably would have been better off mitering. is what I think. So, but since I didn't miter that bottom one, I really don't want to miter the top. If I was doing this again, I would definitely miter it. But you can see that looks really pretty. You don't have to miter it at all. Then I'm going to come down through here, do the same thing. Just cut that. Okay, so we have that much done. Now I'm going to make sure I have the front of the book. The last thing I want to do is do that wrong, all right? Now, what I want to do is, I really like this. It kind of makes it look like a book. I love to outline things. Like in my creative listing journal, I outline this. I just love it. I think it looks so pretty, and that wasn't right. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to start on this side. I want to put this. I'm going to put, I don't care if it comes off the edge a little bit. Aren't these gorgeous? They are simply stunning. They peel off like a dream, but you have to be careful so you don't break it. I'm going to put, okay, I better just do it this way. I'm going to put this like that. I maybe should have scooted it over a little more, and I got it puckered, and I don't want any puckers. Okay, then I'm going to take this and put it right there. I'm just going to do this spread basically with stickers. I wanted to see what it would look like basically to just do the stickers. I think it's going to be really cute. All right, and then I'm going to put her right here. I needed to move that over a little more, but that's okay. It's fine because I'll never get that off. Probably should have put her down first, but it's still going to be fine. And if you want these darker, you can put these on like white scrapbook paper, and it is gorgeous. Okay, there's that. And then I think I'm going to put this girl down because I don't want to not have enough room. And if you just curl that, it's really easy to get that off. We'll put her right here. I don't care if she goes up in there, and I did get her crooked. I wonder if I can get her off. Okay, let's try to get this straight. Okay. All right, then I'm going to put this right here. That's that like splatter. I love it. And I don't want things to be straight. Ugh. Okay, I definitely should have moved my floral over, but I didn't, so that's how that is going. And then I want to put, I'm going to cut that extra off, this towards her. I think that's really cute. I could have put it off the page maybe a little more. Let's see, would I like that better? Yeah, I think I like that better. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here. And these florals are to die for. I'm just going to go ahead and lay this out so I don't mess up where I want something. And I don't care if they overlap slightly. So I'm going to go ahead and put her down first. This is sort of a nod to fall. A girly nod to fall, kind of like. I just thought it would be so fun just to do this with only stickers. And they are sticky. I love that. Okay. Then I'm going to curve that right like that. I got these florals in pink, red, and what other color? I'm just going to put this down a little bit at a time. And it helps you not get creases. But look at that. I love this so much. Okay, then I thought I was going to put another girl on here. Maybe I wasn't. I was going to put this, I know, up here. I thought I had another girl. I'm pretty sure I did. I have to find her. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I just had... No, I don't think I did. I think I would have thought that would have been too much. Let's see, where am I going to put this splatter? I think it's so pretty. I think I was going to put the splatter there. And I thought I was going to put this floral. Was I going to put it there? Maybe that's what I was going to do. Okay, let's put this down. I tell you, get these stickers all over you. This is so cute. Okay, I want it, and I don't care about overlapping. I like it. As long as you like it, that's the only thing that truly matters, I think. Okay, now we're not through, but I'm going to go around through here and cut this little clear plastic off. I think that's the only place that had it. But look how cute this is turning out, all right? Now, I'm either going to take these little dots or these, and I think it's going to be these. And I want to just put them on here. They just peel off. I have washi on my finger that I can't get off. Okay. But they peel off. And I thought that would be so cute, and it would fill in some places. And I'm just using different colors. This has that variegated color, and I love it. And it's definitely a good filler. I think that's really pretty. I could put more. I may. I don't know. Now, I have some of this black writing that I could put in here. Life is warm and comfortable. And this is pre-cut, and I love that. Okay, we'll put this right here. I like that. All right, and then I feel like I need something there. Maybe I'll put another dot or something. Let's see. Maybe I'll just put this. You can see I don't even need my tweezers to pull this off. This, I'm pretty sure, came from Journal Say or Doodle Diaries. Not sure which. I like that. Now, do I want to put another... I typically do things in threes. I feel like, but where would I put it? Maybe like... maybe there? Let's try that. Where did I say I was going to put it? I could put it. Lucky Things. Could put it there. I like that. And it fills that up. I'm really glad about that. Now, do I want to put a couple more of these on here? Because I think it would be super cute. Just to have them popping in. Every little bit. That's 5. I usually like odd numbers. All right, here is my creative art journal all done with stickers, except this washi tape, and I love it. It is so unusual, so different, and I am obsessed with these floral stickers and these and these. I just love them all. I think it gives a really nice feel. You also, if you wanted, could take some Distress ink and color it up, but I wanted the kind of like the juxtaposition of the white and then all that color. I thought it would be really nice. If you enjoyed this creative art journal with me, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.